The National Brotherhood of Fathers' Rights welcomes you to an enlightening presentation for fathers in trying situations. Join us for a private audience discussion with Mr. Dennis Gack, founder of the National Brotherhood of Fathers' Rights, and questions by Mike Hill, an NBFR associate. On this audio companion CD, Dennis will give you insights into a wide variety of fathers' rights cases. Mr. Gack has authored the 9 books in the complete Father's Rights Protection System that you've received. He has an extensive legal background with 20-plus years in family law, and specifically in fathers' rights cases. He's a source of knowledge that even practicing attorneys turn to for insight and valuable information. This audio companion CD provides legal information, and our information is not to take the place of individual legal advice as obtained by an attorney. This CD is a fast-track primer, giving you a quick review of many common fathers' rights issues. Let's listen in now.
Dennis, one of the things I've heard from a lot of fathers, they want to make amends the fact that they owe child support, but because they haven't paid in 4 or 5 years, there's a bench warrant out for their arrest, and they're afraid to go before a judge because they're afraid they'll get thrown in jail. So what about the fathers out there that owe money, they have a bench warrant out for their arrest, they don't know what to do, and they want to make amends?
Well, it's not an easy fix, but it's relatively simple if you follow a procedure. First of all, if there's a bench warrant out for your arrest, it's because you didn't show up at a hearing, or you didn't even know there was a hearing, and they found you in contempt and they issued a bench warrant. That's the process, okay? So once there is a bench warrant in place, you shouldn't be afraid to go to court because they're not there to throw you in jail. Could they? Yes, technically. But you can file what's called a motion to quash bench warrant or extinguish the bench warrant. So you file a simple motion, which is a motion and a supporting declaration. A motion is a question of the court. I'm asking the court to quash the bench warrant because, okay, and usually it'll be reasons like, I didn't know that I know I owe the child support. I didn't know there was a hearing. I didn't show up for the hearing because I wasn't served properly. I didn't even know there was one. A bench order, a bench warrant issued. I'm here to make some kind of a payment. I'm here to work out a payment plan. If you go back into the court like that, the court, remember, it's supposed to be a remedial process. They'll quash the warrant usually, okay, and they will set up a payment plan and get you back on track. Most of the time. Is this 100% of the time, guys? No, it doesn't work 100% of the time. Could you go to jail? Yes, but highly unlikely, and I mean 99% that you will not go to jail. They will work out some kind of deal with you, okay? The other alternative is you can drive down the road, have your tail light out, have them pull you over and go to jail. I mean, then they'll take you to court and you can work out the payment plan then. But it's far better to take, again, like I said at the very beginning, take an offensive approach. If you know you've got a problem, take action. If you go to jail, you go to jail for a few days. I mean, either way, you still got a problem. You got to solve it.